Before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is a private network service that has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries and protects your privacy while browsing the web. It's super easy to use, it's just one click and you are automatically connected to the best location server. It hides your IP address and encrypts everything automatically. It works on basically any device, whether it's Apple, Windows, Android, Xbox, PlayStation, Fire TV, and so much more. What I really like is that I'm able to watch movies or shows on Netflix that are not available in the US by just switching my server to the UK and being able to watch movies like John Wick 3. So if you want to check it out, use the link down in the description below, and when you sign up for 12 months, you'll get 3 months for free, and instead of paying for $12.95 a month, it'll be $6.67 a month, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. What is going on, you guys? This is TechHD coming at you with a brand new video, and today I want to show you guys BENQ's new monitor arm mounts. I've owned a good amount of monitor arms for a 24 and some 27-inch monitors, and each one had their pros and cons. And today we're going to be taking a look at the AS10, and we have 2 of them for a 2-monitor setup. So let's see what it comes with, how it is to set it up, and the features that it provides, and if it's really worth the price. The AS10 runs for $140 each, so it's definitely not in the affordable side, but let's take a look and see if this is for you or not. So now taking a look at what you get in the box, you get the quick start guide, the installation position guide, the plate for the grommet style, all the screws and washers necessary for the setup, the holder for a clamp style, the bottom base piece, the middle arm piece, and finally the top arm piece. I like that BENQ offers the installation position guide to help show you where it's recommended to have and place the base piece for one of the 2 monitor setups, and offers a ruler for precise measurements. I also love that the bottom base piece has a compartment for the 3 Allen wrenches. It makes it very convenient and you won't lose them. So to set up the monitor arm is very easy. First, you're going to install the L plate onto the bottom base plate using the 4 included screws. Once that's done, you're going to put the soft foam piece over the screws to protect your desk. After that, I'll be using the clamp style, so I'm screwing in the clamp to the base. After that's done, you'll need to clamp the bottom base piece onto your desk. Then you'll attach the middle piece and screw it in with the thumb screws. After that's secured, you can attach the top screw the same way with the thumb screw. The arm is spring supported and you can adjust the tension on it. The monitor arms support any monitor that's VESA mount compatible and sizes from 22 to 28 inches. It's great for monitors that don't have any height adjustment support, like for example the BENQ 2780Q. The monitor arm gives you full motion capability, so you can easily swivel the monitor left and right, be able to have the monitor at a very low angle on the desk, and be able to tilt the monitor to look downward. You can also have the monitor very high up, and that gives you plenty of space underneath. You can also have the monitor very forward or farther back, and easily rotate the monitor to have a vertical setup. So this monitor gives you a lot of flexibility on how you want to set it up, and it supports up to 17.6 pounds, so if you have a heavier monitor rig, that'll be able to easily handle it. And finally, I also love that there is some cable management built into the monitor, so you can neatly have your cables run down from the monitor to your devices and the power plug. So the major reason why I wanted to get 2 BENQ AS10 monitor arms is that previously I was using a dual monitor mount from Mount It on Amazon, and it was like for 30 bucks, and it was great and all, but the major drawback that I didn't like is if you're using 2 different monitor versions or brands, the monitors will not be aligned or leveled, and one will be higher or lower than the other. I'm using the EX2780Q and the PD2700U BENQ monitors, so same brand, and they are both 27-inch screens, but the bezels are different, so it made them not align properly. And with the dual monitor mount, I wasn't able to just raise or lower one monitor. That's why with the AS10 being individual, I'm able to easily raise and lower the monitor and keep it aligned. It makes it super easy to adjust it without the need of tightening or loosening anything, as well as being a spring arm, it easily holds the weight of both of my monitors, ranging from 16 to 21 pounds, apparently exceeding the weight limit, but I haven't seen the monitor sag over time, and I love the all-metal build and cable management. I think that the AS10 will be great for someone who's looking to move the monitor a lot in different unique angles, or just to elevate it a bit, because the stand that came with it doesn't have any height adjustment like the EX2780Q. But if you're just looking to just mount it and leave it as is, then this will most likely be overkill for you, especially if you're just running a single monitor setup. But the overall quality of the AS10 is great, and you do get for what you pay for. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, as well as links to everything will be down in the description below. Right now, BENQ is having some special promotions with the AS10 when you get a certain monitor on their website, so definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. As always, TechHD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.